How to highlight text in MS Word. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your MS Word application. Once done, in order to highlight something or some text, you need to have written some text onto your MS Word document. Now let's go ahead and select some line in order to highlight it. Once you have selected it, you'll see this gray line, which means that this is selected. Now, in order to highlight it, you will see a pencil icon. If you would like to go for this yellow color, you may go ahead and click onto it. In case you would like to change it to some other color, expand it, and likewise change into whichever color that you see here. Just like so guys, let's go ahead and do it for other paragraphs as well. If you don't like to go here, once you select this, you will also select a mini bar here. Expand it. Likewise, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.